How to install the locally hosted ServicePilot software offering onto your own server. Before installing the ServicePilot Manager software, make certain that the listed prerequisites are already in place on your Windows server. Start by running the downloaded ServicePilot installer as an administrator with user access control elevated privileges. The ServicePilot installation path can be modified if required. Continue to complete the installation. Read through the license agreement. If you accept, click on the Accept button to proceed. Enter the license key that will be provided by ServicePilot Technologies. Activate the license in one of two ways. Either online if your machine is connected to the Internet. Proxy settings may be needed. Or activate the license manually by selecting Get an Activation Key by email. Provide ServicePilot Technologies at support@servicepilot.com with the hardware ID displayed. ServicePilot Technologies will reply with the associated activation key. The ServicePilot Manager and ServicePilot Agent software is now installed. The ServicePilot Setup console configures ServicePilot before it is started. The ServicePilot Agent will already have been started as seen in the Console Agent tab. Stop the agent if you wish to make agent configuration changes before restarting it. Before starting the ServicePilot Manager, set the ServicePilot Data Work folder by clicking on Configuration. Edit the Work folder directory. We recommend that the work folder be placed on a dedicated hard disk volume. Now start the ServicePilot Manager. Wait for all icons to turn green. The ServicePilot Manager is now running. To open the ServicePilot Web Pages, use a web browser to connect to the IP address of the ServicePilot server on HTTP port 80 by default. Note the default username and password. This should be changed as soon as possible. Continue by logging in using the default admin username and password. To change the admin password, click on the administration cogwheel icon. Open the configuration menu and click on Users. Click on the Edit Action button for the admin user. Enter a new secure administrator password and click OK to close the dialog box. Finally, click on the Save button to commit the password change.